Are you concerned about the harmful chemicals lurking in your commercial deodorant? Many store-bought deodorants contain ingredients like aluminum, parabens, and synthetic fragrances, which have been linked to health issues ranging from skin irritation to hormonal disruption and even cancer. If you're looking for a safer alternative that's both effective and easy to make, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through a simple homemade deodorant recipe that is free of harmful chemicals and gentle on your skin. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons coconut oil, 2 tablespoons shea butter, 3 tablespoons baking soda, 2 tablespoons arrowroot powder or cornstarch. Optional 10 to 15 drops of essential oils, such as lavender, tea tree, or peppermint, for fragrance. Instructions: melt the coconut oil and shea butter. In a small saucepan or microwave-safe bowl, melt the coconut oil and shea butter together over low heat until fully liquid. Stir to combine. Add the baking soda and arrowroot powder. Once the coconut oil and shea butter are melted, remove the mixture from the heat and stir in the baking soda and arrowroot powder until smooth and well combined. These ingredients help absorb moisture and neutralize odor. Add essential oils if desired. Add 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oils to the mixture for fragrance and additional antibacterial properties. Popular choices include lavender, tea tree, peppermint, or citrus oils. Pour into a container. Carefully pour the mixture into a clean, dry container with a lid. A small glass jar or empty deodorant container works well for storing homemade deodorant. Allow to solidify. Let the homemade deodorant cool and solidify at room temperature or place it in the refrigerator for faster cooling. Once solid, it's ready to use. Usage: to use your homemade deodorant, simply scoop a small amount of the mixture onto your fingertips and apply it to clean, dry underarms. Massage gently until absorbed, and allow it to dry before getting dressed. Reapply throughout the day as needed for continued freshness and odor protection. Tips for success: store your homemade deodorant in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to prevent melting. If you have sensitive skin, you may want to reduce the amount of baking soda in the recipe or omit it altogether and use additional arrowroot powder or cornstarch. Experiment with different essential oil combinations to find your favorite scent profile and customize the fragrance to your liking. Be patient with the transition period if switching from commercial deodorants to homemade. Your body may need time to adjust to the natural ingredients, but the benefits of making the switch are well worth it. Benefits of homemade deodorant: making your own natural homemade deodorant offers several benefits. Safe and natural ingredients: homemade deodorants are free of harsh chemicals, synthetic fragrances, and potentially harmful additives commonly found in commercial deodorants. Customizable formulation: you have control over the ingredients used in your homemade deodorant, allowing you to tailor the recipe to your specific skin type and fragrance preferences. Cost-effective: homemade deodorants are often more affordable than store-bought options, especially when using simple, readily available ingredients in bulk. Effective odor protection: despite being made with natural ingredients, homemade deodorants can be just as effective at neutralizing odor and keeping you feeling fresh throughout the day. To summarize, making your own natural homemade deodorant is a simple and rewarding DIY project that allows you to take control of what you put on your skin. By avoiding harmful chemicals and using gentle, natural ingredients, you can create a safe and effective deodorant that works for you. Give it a try and experience the benefits of natural homemade skincare firsthand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.